The last tool in a create menu is a section plane. If you insert that section plane, you can cut your whole scene with that plane. As you can see, it's very interesting. You can rotate it in any direction that you want. For example, in this direction, and cut your scene like this. Or I like it to 90 degree, and you can cut your whole scene with this section plane, as you can see. And it's interesting, you can render that section if you want. You can cut whole scene, and you can see inside of your model. F4 for render, and as you can see, you can render it. Okay, the direction in this is a nice, like it's 0. Oh, sorry, 19 again. And as you can see, if you want to section in this direction or in any direction that you want, you can rotate it. It's very interesting. Or you can insert another section plane, I think. Nope. No, it just acts for one. And if you want to section, you have to select your section to cut your scene. That's interesting, and it has no important properties. So if you insert several section plane for executing them, you have to select them. That's it. If you don't want them, you can delete them. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.